Welcome to Davis!
Hi, my name is Antoine and I'm happy to introduce you to Davis House. This is a residence for boys in grade 10 and 11 at Sansa College. Davis House opened in 1958 thanks to the generosity of Harry Davis, a graduate of the class of 1898. Let's have a look. Here, we find the Teachers on Duty's office. The Teacher on Duty, or TOD, is responsible for daily room inspection and supervision during evening study. TODs vary from day to day, so depending who's on, students can find the homework help they need right here in the house. Pierce Hall is located right off the Davis House lobby. It's named after the Pierce family, who played a major role in the school's founding and development. During the school year, it serves as a lounge area for the Davis boys, while the stage is used for music classes. We also hold concerts in our school play in Pierce Hall. Like all residences, Davis has laundry facilities and a small kitchen for meals and snacks. Davis House has 4 floors, including the basement level, and house directors live right in the house, in the second floor apartment and an annex attached to the back of the building. There is always an adult around for supervision or to have someone to talk to. Even though Davis House is one of the older residences, all the rooms have been renovated over the past few years. Most rooms have 2 roommates, usually someone from another country, so that students can get to know different cultures and international students can practice their English. Rooms feature combo bunks, desks that maximize space and allow the boys to personalize their rooms. Some rooms have shared bathrooms and all floors have bathrooms and showers down the hall. The camaraderie among the Davis boys makes it one of the most spirited residences on campus. The boys create strong bonds, and their pride in their residence translate into pride for their school. Davis House is definitely an experience. And that's Davis House. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, contact your admissions team.